Everyone, and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas trading around $4.3095. Okay, three things that you have to understand here, which I have already explained you in my weekly video. First, this pattern is forming and this pattern is already being moved upside after crossing this level, so we can see this pattern is filled. Second pattern, the same pattern is formed here. Now if the price keeps sustaining above a level of around $4.2, see the price is already above this level. This pattern will support an upside and chances are very high it can cross a level of 4.5. From there a probability of going towards 4.8. From there a level of 4.9 can be seen, and if the price sustain this level, the bigger pattern will form and chances of crossing 5.3 can be seen. Okay, this is for the information which can happen in the weekly chart or in this particular only when the price keep moving up 4.9. Okay, now looking at the smaller pattern, this particular pattern, this pattern is showing an upside trend. Okay, as well as this is the pattern showing that there is a probability that if it started going above a level of $4.31, we can see it can cross a level of 4.5. Then there will be a zone breakout, so chances are very high that once started crossing this level, it can touch a level of 4.72. From there a probability of going towards 4.81, and then it started crossing that level, we can see a level of 4.81 to a level of 4.9. And if the price sustain above this level, a further upside can be seen. Remember, 4.9 is a very strong level. Okay, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, probability of further upside is very high till the time the price is going above $4.12. This is the level on a day-wise chart. Okay, and once started sustaining, keep sustaining above that level, a further upside can be seen. So suppose if it started going higher, we can see a level of $4.37. If the price going above that particular level, chances of crossing 4.54 is very high. Okay, so trail your SLL by $0.15 or $0.2. So at least will capture upside movement. But if the price started going below this level, it can move towards 4.12, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be seen towards $3.94. If the price going below that particular level, chance of going towards 3.8 can be seen. Remember that as soon as the price started falling below 3.8, chance of touching Friday's week can be there towards 3.7, and from there it can come down towards 3.65. From there a level of 3.53. If the price fall below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards 3.4, and from there a further fall can be seen towards further low, and then there is a probability of filling this gap below a level of $3. Again I repeat, see, you have to understand that overall trend is showing an upside, but the gap is still pending. You have to understand here, looking at this particular chart, that if the price keep rising, probability of crossing 4.5 is there. Okay, and once started sustaining above 4.5, probability of touching 4.9 can be seen. So trail your SL by $0.25 if the price sustain above 4.5. Otherwise trail your SL by 0.15. Okay, but if it started coming down, we can see it can come down again towards a level of $4.14. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, it can come down towards $4. And if the price falling below this level, chance of going towards 3.94, and from there a level of 3.87. Once the price going below this level, we can see it can touch a level of 3.7, and from there a further fall can be seen towards $3.55. Okay, then there is a probability of further downfall can be seen towards $3.38. And if the price falling below that particular level, chance of going towards 3.2 can be seen, and from there it can move towards $3. Okay, these are the levels you have to. From there a bounce back come, but if the price didn't bounce back, we can see a further downfall. Okay, and once the price fall below this level, a gap is still pending, so there is a higher chances this gap can be filled in the future as soon as the price started coming below a level of $3. Okay, and once started falling below this level, a further fall also can be seen. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Overall trend is upside till the time the price is going above $4.12. But if started falling below this level, we can see there can be a further downfall can be seen. But if it keep rising over 4.12, then we can see there can be a further rise in the price of natural gas.